With me is former India 1983 World Cup winning member Kirti Azad, who was in BJP, then he joined Congress and now in Trinamool Congress. So let's ask Kirti ji, what is the reason that you have joined Trinamool Congress, and how are you looking a new chapter?
Well, anybody who wants to get into any kind of activities that he want to do, whether it's political, social, or I've been a sports person, you're always looking for a leader who leads by example, who is always at the forefront, fighting, the first person to take the blow. And that is what Mamata Banerjee is all about. She takes the blow. It's a very simple living. She's straightforward. She doesn't sit in a room and pass these statements. She goes onto the field. That's the reason. You tell me why there's such a big exodus. Why are so many people coming and joining her from various states? Because you need a leader who can fight. You need someone who can come and show the mirror to the government as to what is happening.
She won the election in West Bengal and defeated the BJP. You were in BJP, you were in the ruling party for a long time. What disillusioned you from this party and the government that you said, the mirror that you said? What disillusioned you, and why you have joined Mamata, exactly the opposite camp?
I was very impressed by Narendra Modi when he was the candidate for the Prime Minister 2014 election. He would say, "Na khaunga na khane dunga, aur jo khaye hain unko pakad karke jail mein dunga." My father, when he was the chief minister, he used to say the same thing, and I was very impressed. And you know, I've been a sportsman. I won the World Cup '83. I have been a thrice member of parliament, once an MLA from Delhi in the Delhi Assembly. And my father taught me principles. And there was a long drawn battle between me. One shouldn't be talking about him now because he's no more, late Arun Jaitley, but let's say DDCA. There was corruption for 400 crores of rupees that I don't say off the cuff. There's a record. Company Affairs Ministry Serious Fraud Investigating Office said that there was a fraud of 400, and then an administrator came in, Justice Vikramjit Sen, who was the honorable judge in the Supreme Court. He also, in his special audit, that's a forensic audit, said yes, corruption has taken place. So my stand was vindicated twice, and because I exposed this, I was suspended from the party.
But in politics, when he was not in the playing 11 for Congress, then he joined BJP. Then when he was not in the playing 11, then he joined Congress. Then when he's not playing 11 in the Congress, then he joined Trinamool Congress. So are you confident that you will be in the playing 11, win Trinamool Congress?
Listen, I always believe criticism, if you are a name, you got to have the criticism. So one should take criticism. Constructive criticism, the better it is. And your popularity is known by the number of critics you have. So more the merrier. Let them think what they want to think. I was a member. I had a very important role to play. You'll see our movie 83 is coming, 24th of December. What my role was in the semi-finals. How I won Delhi, the seat gold market which BJP had never won. 99, I won Darbhanga, which BJP had never won. Thrice. I got them seats where they had never won. And when I got into the BJP and they sent me to Darbhanga, the 25 seats north of Ganga, which are called the Mithilanchal, it was my influence being a cricketer, my father's name of being a very honest man, and my whatever little name I have. We did it for BJP. It isn't that I didn't help. I was also instrumental in party coming up. We had leaders like Atal Bihari Vajpayee and Lal Krishna Advani ji. Both of them respected leaders. It was great fun to work with them. They were not vindictive. And then I came here, I exposed corruption, and I'm simply thrown out of the party. This is something I did not expect.
Why did you leave Congress then? I mean, you went to Congress from BJP.
I told you that. I think I have already spoken to you. I had no work, nothing. I was promised that I'll be given Darbhanga. Then that Darbhanga seat that I was sitting member of parliament, I never got Darbhanga.
So here,
I was sent to Dhanbad,
okay.
and then I never got an audience, never got to speak to them or anything of the sorts. I have great respect. She's like a mother to me, Sonia ji. I have nothing against Rahul or Priyanka, except for never got an opportunity. I told them how I was being humiliated in my own state, how things were happening, how my programs were being made, and then the person who made my program was in Patna somewhere. So, humiliation after humiliation was going on. And no action was being taken. That's the worst part.
Okay. Now, today you met with Mamata Banerjee, and what was the exchange? And are you now? Would you be given a seat for Darbhanga? Would you be given? What? I mean, will you be contesting in for Trinamool Congress, or would you be seeking a Rajya Sabha ticket?
I have laid no conditions. I have not known Didi from today. I have known Didi from ages when she won her first Lok Sabha seat. My father was a minister at that time, the central cabinet, and he has said, watch this girl, she'll go places. And Bhai Pota that we call Bhai Dooj is called Bhai Pota there. I've been going to Didi for that. And till Maji was alive, mother was alive, I used to go there for Bhai Pota, and she used to make lovely food for very good Vyanjan, Pakwan. We used to eat there, Sandesh, Mishti Dohi.
Today's exchange, what happened?
Today's exchange, same. Old things that happened, we were talking about
You
everything.
joined TMC.
Yes. We talked about those old things. We talked about how Maji used to, cook food and give it to us. How he used to come to this thing for Bhai Pota. Then the Shahidi Divas she used to have from Chaurangi. Then I used to be there.
Now, where would be your workplace? Would it be your constituency in Darbhanga or in Bihar? UP election is coming, or Uttaranchal is there. So are you seeking the Lok Sabha, or would you be in Rajya Sabha?
I have put no conditions for either Lok Sabha or for Rajya Sabha. I have not said make me this or make me that. You can understand when you have a relation of a brother and sister.
Promised as yet.
I have not asked for any promise. I want a leader who leads by front. I would rather be a lamb and led by a tiger than be a tiger led by a lamb. And she is the real Bengal tigress. And she's known all over the world now for her aggressive stance for the people. That is what she does. And that's the reason why people from various parties, from various states are coming and joining her. Why? Because you need somebody who can go to the street and fight for you. And that is what she's doing.